Hello guys and welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to add a child theme in WordPress. So straightforward, we're going to go to the plugins and add a plugin, and then I'm going to search for child theme. Okay, so we do have a lot of options, but I recommend that you stick with this child theme configurator. It already have 300,000 active installation. And we have 4.5 stars review, so it already have 2 weeks ago last updates. So it does have a lot of community in the back. So I'm just gonna go install now and activate. And then we're gonna scroll down until you find tools and then go to child themes. So parent child, select action, create a new child theme. So the second option is select a parent theme. So here is Divi. My current theme is Divi. So if you have any other theme, I don't know, Hello Elementor, Astra, Avada, any theme, so he will analyze the theme and then he will create the Divi child. For example, you can name the child theme for your child theme. So I'm just gonna leave it as it is, select primary style sheets. I'm gonna leave it as it is. If you have any separate style sheets, like other CSS code that you want to implement, you can also click on it and add it. Okay, parent, do not add any parent style sheet heading. You can ignore all of these, like leave it as it is, and then create new child theme. Now let's check. So I'm gonna go to appearance, themes, and as you see, we have the child theme. So make sure that you activate the child theme, and right now you are working under the child theme. The reason why we use child themes is because, for example, if you want to add any custom functions inside your main theme, like if you want, I don't know, if you have, you want to add some functionalities, if you want to add any custom CSS, etc. in your main theme, you may risk being deleted after any major update. Because, for example, if I put here, I don't know, a PHP function and the theme requires an update, after the update, it will be deleted, okay? Because all the files will be updated. But if you install a child theme, you won't lose any data and the functions remain intact in the child theme folder, okay? So this is why exactly, or the reason why most of the time you need to install a child theme. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you guys in the next video.